Hello everyone, this is Kathy Lien coming to you from the CME NYMEX floor. The Eurodollar made a run for 118 today on the back of US dollar weakness, and this strength and dollar weakness came despite softer US data. From the trade balance to the jobless claims report, all of those numbers surprised to the upside for the most part and showed a rather resilience in the US economy. But the initial gains that we saw in the greenback as well as US Treasury yields completely faded by the end of the day. 10-year Treasury yields were up as much as 3 basis points intraday, actually ended the day lower, and that coincided with a dip in the US dollar. Now, we haven't seen much in the way of progress on the German elections. We waited all week to see whether or not Angela Merkel will be able to form a coalition government. No news has been announced on that front, but the market likes the fact that she's still in power and that it should just be a matter of time before she announces that coalition. And when she does, investors will probably cheer the news by sending up the euro because it's going to eliminate one key uncertainty for the currency. Looking ahead, in the coming weeks, we believe that data should be more positive for the euro and negative for the US dollar. Starting with Friday's German unemployment report, the PMIs show that job growth and labor market activity has been very strong. In contrast, when it comes to wages, that's been very soft in the US, and spending actually turned negative according to the latest report. If we look to the coming week and we look, basically to the non-farm payrolls report, the most important report due next week, I think we're going to see the initial effects of Hurricane Harvey, and it's probably going to be ugly. So while everyone realizes that the impact of Harvey is going to be temporary, I think the sheer shock of a softer number could still send the dollar lower. At least the run-up to the dollar could be some weakness ahead of that report. And for that reason, I think next week should be a positive week for the euro dollar. Thank you so much. This is Kathy Lien.